If you want a practical way to get started, keep it small. You do not need a total classroom overhaul. You do not need a dozen tools. You do not need a new policy for every scenario on day one. A simple 30-day approach can be enough to build confidence and see what is actually useful. Week 1. Choose one assignment to review. Not necessarily redesign yet. Review it first. Ask, what is this assignment really assessing? Which parts could AI do easily? Which parts still require student thinking? What small change would make the learning more visible? Then make one revision. That might mean adding a reflection, requiring a draft, narrowing the prompt, or changing the audience. Week 2. Choose one repeatable teacher workflow. Pick one task you do often, and do not enjoy starting from scratch every time. Parent emails, lesson hooks, exit tickets, review games, vocabulary supports, or meeting prep are all strong candidates. Create one reusable prompt template. Use it a few times, refine it until it becomes genuinely helpful. Week 3. Try one student-facing AI activity. Keep it bounded and transparent. For example, students use AI to generate a study guide, then check it for errors. Students ask AI for feedback on a thesis statement, then revise. Students use AI to quiz themselves before a test. Students compare AI output to a strong human example and critique it. The point is not just using AI. The point is helping students use it thoughtfully. Week 4, reflect and adjust. What saved time? What created more work than it saved? What did students handle well? What needed more structure? What would you keep, change, or stop? By the end of 30 days, success does not have to mean full transformation. It may simply mean you now have one stronger assignment, one reliable prompt template, one classroom use case you trust more than you did before. That is meaningful progress. Let us bring this together. The core idea is not that you, as educators, need to hand more of the teaching over to AI. It is that AI has changed the environment enough that some parts of planning, assessment, and student work are worth revisiting with fresh eyes. Some uses of AI can save you time. Some can improve access and differentiation. Some can help students practice, revise, and reflect more effectively. And some uses are not worth it at all. That is why your judgment matters. What this workshop offers is not a single formula, but a set of practical ways to experiment. Use AI to reduce repetitive drafting work. Redesign assignments where product has overtaken process. Give students structured ways to use AI for feedback and practice. Clarify the line between support and substitution. Focus integrity conversations on understanding, transparency, and ownership, and then start small. Open your AI tool. Use the prompt on screen. Pick one real assignment you already teach. See what ideas come back. Keep what is useful. Ignore what is not. Adapt the rest to fit your students and your style. That is a sustainable way forward for most educators. The goal is not to avoid AI entirely, nor to force AI into everything. The goal is to use it where it strengthens teaching, protect what matters most about learning, and help students build habits of thinking that still belong to them. That work is still deeply human, and it is still yours to lead. Here's where you started and where you are now. You came in with questions about how to use AI in your profession. You now have a repeatable framework you can apply to any situation, not just the ones we covered, but any new situation that comes your way. The 4D framework, delegate, describe, discern, diligence, that's yours now. Use it. Before you close this out, one thing. The single biggest mistake people make after a course like this is they go back to doing things the old way because that's what feels normal. Don't let that be you. Pick one thing from this course. One thing. Commit to using it this week. Not when you have time. This week. Your AI guide is yours. Keep it somewhere you'll actually look at it. Thanks for being here. Now go use it.